Whitestreak. Choose one card from opponent's recruits and use as a bonus play. Once bonus play is finished, opponent may move any one card from your recruits to their recruits. So this play is a little bit more strategic because you have to kind of think about what happens at the end. The opponent is going to be able to steal one of your recruits back. So if I was to take a card and put it in the recruits, they can take it right back after my bonus play. And again, a bonus play is a complete new turn. You're going to play a movement, you're going to play a faction if there's one to play, and then you'll finally end your turn. So I played Whitestreak. I'm going to go ahead, because it makes perfect sense to take the Union boss right now to my side, so I'm going to put it in my Loyalist because it's a starting card. You play it as a starting card and it is a Loyalist, so it goes here. I'm going to send my -5, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to send my -3, 1, 2. I'm going to have to give him, unfortunately, this 5. And then I don't draw a card because nothing moved out of the neutral. But then I would play another faction play. After that is all done, the opponent during this round will take a recruit to his recruits. So I was able to do it and still only give him a 3 back. So that's a really good way to play Whitestreak. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.